द्वाविंशः पाठः 22nd लेसन् रामः बाणेन ताटकाम् अमारयत् रामः बाणेन with the arrow ताटका अमारयत् killed रामः बाणेन ताटकाम् अमारयत् Rama killed ताटका with the arrow मृतायां च तस्याम् इदं वनम् अधुना निष्कण्टकं भवति मृतायां च तस्याम् she being dead idam vanam this forest adhuna now nishkantakam free of trouble bhavati becomes so mritayam cha tasyam idam vanam adhuna nishkantakam bhavati she being dead this forest is now free of trouble adya prabhritti janapadah sukhi bhavishyati yatah tataka tam na vinashayishyati adya prabhritti. So adya is today, prabhritti. Adya prabhritti means starting from today. Janapadaha, the region, sukhi, happy, bhavishyati, will be. So adya prabhritti janapadaha sukhi bhavishyati. Starting from today, the region will be happy. Yataha, since, tataka, tam here refers to the region, janapadam. So tam is janapadam, the region, na vinashayishyati. She will not destroy. So she will not destroy that region. Hence, the region will be happy and peaceful. So that is the meaning. Adya prabhritti janapadaha sukhi bhavishyati yataha tatakam tam na vinashayishyati. So starting from today, the region will be happy and peaceful since Tataka will not destroy the region. ताटकायाः वधेन विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः भवति ताटकायाः वधेन means by the killing ताटकायाः of ताटका विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः is happy bhavati becomes so ताटकायाः वधेन विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः भवति because of the killing of ताटका विश्वामित्र becomes happy or विश्वामित्र is happy सह रामाय बहूनि अस्त्राणि प्रयच्छति सह here refers to विश्वामित्रः so विश्वामित्रः रामाय to Rama बहूनि अस्त्राणि means many astras prayachati gives so सह रामाय बहूनि अस्त्राणि प्रयच्छति Saha here, as we already saw, is Vishwamitra. So Vishwamitra gives many astras to Rama. So what is the meaning of giving many astras to Rama? He initiates Rama into different astra vidyas. So each astra is a mantra. So what we saw is astra is nothing but a weapon that is fortified with divine power. So when a mantra is invoked onto the arrow, so it becomes a nastra. So all those various mantras, so they are given to Rama by Vishwamitra. Tani astrani pratigruhya Ramaha vadati. Tani astrani, those astras, pratigruhya, having taken, okay, having received those astras from Vishwamitra, Ramaha vadati, tells. So tani astrani pratigruhya Ramaha vadati. Having received those astras from Vishwamitra, Rama tells the following. What does he tell? Bhagavan ashramam te shigram gachama. Bhagavan, O Lord, ashramam te ashramam. So te here refers to his. So this is actually tava ashramam. So tava can also be written as te. So it is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So tava ashramam shigram gachama. So tava ashramam means your ashrama. Shigram, quickly. Gachama, let us go. So Bhagavan ashramam te shigram gachama. O Lord, let us go quickly to your ashrama. Kutra te dushtaha rakshasaha ye tava yajnasya vignakaraha bhavanti. Kutra means where. Te, here the word te is prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. So it is saha tau te, that te. Okay, so rakshasaha is demons. Dushtaha rakshasaha refers to wicked demons. So te dushtaha rakshasaha. So those wicked demons. So kutra te dushtaha rakshasaha. Where are those wicked demons? Ye, who, tava yajnasya, your yajna, or for your yajna, vignakaraha bhavanti. So vignakaraha means those who cause obstruction to the yajna. So kutra te dushtaha rakshasaha ye tava yajnasya vignakaraha bhavanti. Where are those wicked demons who pose an obstruction to your yajna? Aham tatra gatva yajnam rakshishyami iti. Aham, I, tatra gatva. Tatra is there, gatva having gone. Yajnam rakshishyami. Rakshishyami means I will protect. I will protect what? The yajna. So aham tatra gatva yajnam rakshishyami iti. So I will go there and protect the yajna. Thus spoke Rama. Tataha te trayaha api siddhashramam नाम विश्वामित्रस्य आश्रमं गच्छन्ति. ततः thereafter ते त्रयः, they three. Okay, so who are they three? Again, te here is prathama vibhakti bahuvachanam. So those three. So who are the three? Rama, Lakshmana and Vishwamitra. So te trayah api also siddhashramam nama Vishwamitrasya ashramam gachanti. So siddhashrama is the name of Vishwamitra's ashrama. So Vishwamitrasya ashrama means the ashrama of Vishwamitra. Gachanti means they go. So tataha te trayah api siddhashramam nama Vishwamitrasya ashramam gachanti. Thereafter, they three also go to Siddhashrama, which is the ashrama of Vishwamitra. Tena ashramavasinaha munayaha santushtaha bhavanti. Tena, because of that reason, munayaha, the sages, and who are those sages? Ashramavasinaha munayaha, the sages who reside in the ashrama. So ashramavasinaha munayaha santushtaha, happy bhavanti, become. So tena ashramavasinaha munayaha santushtaha bhavanti. So because of this reason, the sages who are living in the ashrama, they become happy because Rama has come there, and once Rama is there, they are assured of protection. Okay, let us once again read this lesson. Dvavimshah Pataha. Ramah Banena Tatakam Amarayat. Vritayam cha tasyam idam vanam adhuna nishkantakam bhavati. Adya prabhritti janapadaha sukhi bhavishyati. Yataha tataka tam न विनाशयिष्यति. ताटकायाः वधेन विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः भवति. सः रामाय बहूनि अस्त्राणि प्रयच्छति. तानि अस्त्राणि प्रतिगृह्य रामः वदति, भगवन् आश्रमं ते शीघ्रं गच्छाम. कुत्र ते दुष्टाः राक्षसाः ये तव यज्ञस्य विघ्नकराः भवन्ति? अहं तत्र गत्वा यज्ञं रक्षिष्यामि इति. ततः ते त्रयः अपि सिद्धाश्रमं नाम विश्वामित्रस्य आश्रमं गच्छन्ति. तेन आश्रमवासिनः मुनयः सन्तुष्टाः भवन्ति.